Afternoon. Good afternoon to all my viewers. It's been difficult the past week. We are hoping that this week things work out for us. It's been difficult today as well, getting something better for us. Sometimes when you look at the number of people following you, it becomes burdensome that you cannot just put anything over there. So I have to do thorough research. So I discovered this plan and I want to share with you. I realized that on event 87, 2889 dropped in machine. Counting with event 99, 15 dropped. Then I saw a similar pattern here. On event 102, you saw 88 in machine. 89, 28 in machine. Then the same continues to event 114, you saw 15 again. Then I realized that from the first one, event 99, where the 15 dropped, exact counting was to event 125, the 15 came back. So the current one to the same counting is from the event 114 to current event 140, the 15 dropped again. So I started questioning myself, was it the 15 that turned to 51 over there? So somebody can just simply take it that way, that is this 15 that is traveling that has just turned. So this one must 10. So you can use that one. But I went also further to question myself. A lot more to do over there. So I traveled back to event 40. I got 51 over there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 90. Now the reason this is important is that I realized that 51, the two numbers on the line on the event 126, 51, and it dropped and repeated. They drop and repeated. And then the 5190 to drop, the difference is 39, so the 39 was there. So me, when I see event that two numbers are repeated on event, I take that event very serious. I try to search for the numbers that are repeated, or if you want to use the constant numbers, you use them. So I traveled to event 40, got 51 machine. 4 weeks then I saw 90 on event 43. I realized the difference between the 51 and the 90 is 39. So a long counting ways to event 123. I saw the 39 machine. Then from the current one to event 55, I saw event 55. I saw 79. Then 4 weeks down to event 58, I saw 85 over there. The difference between the two, 79 and then 85 is 6. So a long counting ways to event 138. I saw single 6 over there. So I said, okay, then that is something cool. Something is cooking up over there. So the 51 plus 39 is the 90. So the on event 123, the 90 drops in machine. And the second one on event 55, the 79 plus of 6 gave you the 85 on event 58. So that is a long counting to event 138. The single 6 dropped in machine. So I realized that there's some sort of vice versa formation in the game. So this exact counting is to event 87 when the 28 89 dropped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 we saw 85. The 85 that is moving with the 79 rather came to event 93. Then the same counting is to event 108. Then the 90 that is moving with the 51 also came. So I realized that it's a vice versa move. So that 90 on event 108 minus 8 is 82. So exact counting is event 115, the 82 dropped at first verse. Then counting is when 15 was coming to drop on event 125, the 82 came to last verse. From there, 2 weeks on event 123, you realize that the difference between 51 and 90 was 39, so the 39 dropped in machine. So when the 82 drop at last boss, you know that 82 and 7 are difference 5, 90 and 85 are difference 5. So it is using the 51 and 79 are difference 20, so that is where the 20 is playing some role. So the difference 5 figures, 90 and 85, they are interchanging. They are doing some vice versa formation. So the 85 rather came on event 93. Then 90 came on event 108. Then the 90 from minus 8, or you can say the 85 from 167 gave you 82. So the 90 from 167 gave you double 7 on event 130. Event 130. So that 82 from event 115 came to last boss to drop with a 15. So the double 72 on event 130 came to last boss to drop with a hot 15. So from there you can say that 39 came and picked the 51 and 90. So the 5190, the difference of 39, the 39 that dropped in machine, the difference is 5190. So the 5190 came to drop as too sure with the difference of the 39. So today you can say that since 79 and then 85 are also different 6, and the 90 and then the 85 are interchanging. Therefore, the when the difference of the 79 85 which is single 6 drop on event 138, the 85 and then double 7 are difference 8, and 82 and 90 are difference 8. So if the 82 drop at last boss, here double 7 drop at last boss from moving from event 130 first boss. The 82 to move from event 115 first boss to last boss on event 125. This one to the event double 7 move from event 130 first boss to current event 140 last boss. So the 85 and 90 are different 5. So the 82 and double 7 are difference what 5. So they are just moving. So after that, after the 82 drop at last boss, the 90 came, and then so double 7 drop after last boss today. We expect 85. Then the 90 went to pick the 51, which is the difference of 39. So the 90 was came with what 51 and then the 39. Then this 51, 90, difference of what 39. So the 39 drop on event 123, and after 15 and 82 dropped, the 3 numbers came. So today we expect this 79, 85, difference of what 6. So the 6 drop on event 138. Today we expect that single 6, 79, 85. That is my best try. But the same plan, I want to use the same plan. Sometimes when I use calculation methods, some people don't understand. So I use that method so that people can understand. So you can just say on event 40, 51 drop. On event 43, 90 drop. The difference is 39. Counting to event 87, 28, 89 drop over there. Then counting to event 99, 15 dropped. The 15, exact counting with the 90. The 90 and 82 are difference of 8, so 82 drop on event 115. Counting to event 125, 82 came with 15. Before then, on event 123, the difference between 51 and 39, 51 and 90, 39 drop in machine. So the 51 and 90 and 39, after 15 and 82 drop on event 125, they're working. So the current one you can say 79. 85 difference 6. And we saw that on event 138 machine, the difference between the two, which is single 6, dropped in machine. But before then 85 and then double 7 are difference 8. So on event 102, the 89 20 drop in machine. Counting is to event 130, the 85 and double 7 are played difference 8. So double 7 drop at first boss. Came to even last boss last week against the 15 after single 6 drop in machine on event 138. So this the 79 85 are coming as too short with a difference of single 6. But I use a different method to get the same number, so I want to take you through that method. So I added the 28 and then 89, and I got 117. So since I got 117, I did something. You come to event 117, event 117. You saw that a number drop, double 6 drop in machine, then repeated on the ISF. The current one too, from the 8928 come to event 132, and a certain number drop in machine, 38 drop and repeated on the ISF. So I realized that okay, so the 117, the 8928 that you added to get 117. Go and subtract those two numbers. So the first one is double 6. So I subtract double 6. That is where the 51 is coming from. 117 minus of that number, double 6 that repeated from the 117. So I got 51. This time around, the number that repeated in machine on event 132 is 38. So I subtracted 38 from the number, and I got what 79. So that is the 51 on event 40. That is where it's coming from, and the 79 on event 55. That is where it's coming from. So I realized that it is this number, the 51. Then you go back to from the event 87, counting with to event 93. You saw 85. Then you come to event 108. Then you saw 90. And I told you that 85 and 90 are interchanging. So you realize that from the event 93, counting to event 99, 15 dropped. From the 90 on event 108 to event 114, you saw what, 15 again. So the 15 came as constant number. This one to the 15 came. So I was saying that now go and subtract the 51 from the 90. So 51 from 90 will give you 30, that 39. This 39 that drop on event 123 machine. So this one to since 90 is equal to 85, go and subtract the 79 too from the 85. So you get 6. So that is what the 6 that drop on event 138 machine. You see, so when the single drop on event 138 machine, now you have your two show 85, 79. The first one is 90, 51, difference of 39. So we add a 39 to it. So this one we add single 6 to it. So is that 90 and 85 that are plain difference 5 with what? The 82 on event 115, and then the double 7 on event 130, because the 90 minus 8 gave you the this 90 minus 8 gave you the 82 at first boss machine on event 115, and the 85 to minus 8 gave you double 7 at first boss on event 130. So counting with to event after event 123, then the difference between the 90 and 51, which is 39, drop in machine. Then 1, 2, 3. The 82, that 82 move back to last boss with the 15. Now, current one, it is the 85 minus of 8 that gave you double 7 at first boss on event 130. Then counting with event 138, the difference between the 85 and 79, which is single, is drop at machine. From there, since the 85 minus 8 give you that double 7, from the event 138, 1, 2, 3, that double 7 must drop at last boss. Drop at last boss. The double 7 must drop at last boss. Since double 7 and 82 are difference 5, and 90 and 85 are difference 5. So that double 7 must move to last boss again. Then the 15 comes as a constant number. So if you want to get where the 51 is coming from, the double 6 that repeated in machine on event 117, just subtract it from the addition of 28 and 89, which is 117. Minus of the double 6 will give you the 51. That 51 that is moving. So the second one on event 132, 38 that repeated on itself. Go back and subtract the 38 from the 117 addition, which is 89, 28 addition. You realize that when you subtract, you get that 79 that is moving. So after 15 double 7 drop, the 79 is coming as banker today against what, the 85, with a difference of 6, because 79 85 are difference of what, 6, and 90 and 51 are difference of 39. This 90 and 51 are difference of 39, and 85 and 79 are difference of 6. So since you saw 39, 51, 90 on event 126, today on event 141, you should expect single 6, 79, 85. Let me do it proper for you to see. 79 is my banker. 85. So 79, 85 has two sure. Then 3 numbers is single 6. So you add single 6 to 79, 85. Single. This is my best 3 numbers. This is my 3 direct. What the time? 14. So basically that's what I have for today. I'm available at the comment section. If anything you don't understand, you can question me over there. I'll explain to you. I can put a write up over there, explain some things to you. So this is what I've taken my time painstakingly to express this plan in 2 different ways. Even those who are like first time followers can also understand. So subscribe, comment, share my videos on the YouTube channel on my platform. Thank you for watching. Sorry for delaying YouTube.